Hi, my name is Dante Pimentel. I'm an eclectic musician over 30 years of experience playing in many styles. Since I was a child, I was fascinated by the magic of the circus. I formally studied classical music, but I was always excited and curious to explore other styles. After graduating, I began to work in musicals, which has been perfect for my love of theater and performance. Basically, I felt satisfied in musicals until I was invited as part of the Mexican crew of Mamma Mia to see Pygmalion alive. While watching this Cirque du Soleil show, I couldn't contain my excitement. I just keep thinking, oh my god, I belong here. This is what I was meant to do. So now, this is a real chance for me to use my diverse talents and be part of a professional team that has been my dream. I know is the perfect place for me. Thank you.